Here I have INFINIX Hot 11S, and today I'm going to show you how to grant access to developer options on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the My Phone section, find the build number line and tap on it with your finger several times until you get the message, "You're now a developer," but it says no need, you're a developer already. So let me just disable this developer mode and let me show you how it works. So just tap on it, you get the message, "You are now a developer," and now you can find these developer options in system section, and here they are. So here you can find all of these super advanced developer options. You can also disable them here, and after that they will disappear from the settings list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.